Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about the difference between differential and the integral calculus. Firstly, differential calculus focuses on rates of change such as slopes of tangent lines and velocities, and integral calculus deals with total size or value such as lengths, areas and volume. So the main difference between these two is differential calculus deals with rate of change of the function and integral calculus deals with lengths, areas and volume of the function. Okay, now let's discuss some of the difference between differential and integral calculus through some of the parameters. So the first parameter here is purpose. So what is the purpose of using differential calculus and integral calculus? So differentiation is used to find out the instant rates of change from one point to another, and integration is used to calculate area under or between the curves. Now let me explain this through an example. I am going to consider a container which contains a piston. See, this is the piston. Okay, now I am going to move this piston from here to here. I have moved this piston from here to here. So this is nothing but the small delta x, means here the piston, before the piston was here and it has moved to this point now. This is nothing but the rate of change. This is nothing but the rate of change. This is related to differentiation. Now integration means I am going to consider two curves. The area between these two curves or area under this curve. Okay, so this is the purpose of using the integration. Now let me explain the real life application. So what is the real life application of differentiation and integration? Differentiation is used to find whether the function is increasing or decreasing. It is used to find whether a function is increasing or decreasing. Integration is used to calculate the volume of the objects. Integration is used to calculate the volume of the objects. Addition and division. This is the next parameter. Here differentiation uses division to calculate the instant velocity or any desired results, and integration uses addition for its calculation. See, I'll explain this through an example. I have considered a function f of x. The function I have taken here, it is x cube plus x square plus x. Now I am going to differentiate this function. Differentiation is nothing but the rate of change. Rate of change means df divided by dx. Now what is the differentiation? It is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Because differentiation of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Using this formula, I have derived this function. Now see here, this uses division. Why? Because see, x cube became x square became x, and x became 1. Here we are dividing each variable by x. So x cube divided by x becomes x square divided by x becomes x, and x divided by x becomes 1. So differentiation uses division. Now integration uses addition as it. So let's consider the function f of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus x. Now what is the integration formula? It is integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. See here, integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of x is x square by 2 plus some integration constant c. Here see, x cube became x to the power of 4, x square became x cube, and x became x square. So here we have used the process of addition. So integration uses the addition. Next, what is the role of differentiation and integration? Role is differentiation calculate the speed of the function, and integration calculate the distance covered by any function. So I said it calculates the speed of function, in turns it calculates the velocity, and it calculates the distance covered by any function, in turns it calculates the area or volume of this given function. So this is about the difference between differential calculus and the integral calculus. Thank you.